I've been in 4 different EMRs, including the world's largest, and I haven't found anyone or any group who has responded to the customer like Athena does. Back in 2014, we were having difficulties with the EMR we had at that time. We worked hard at trying to get some flexibility. It was clunky, and there was no changing it. And we decided to put together a search team, and we ended up with Athena. And we knew that before we signed the contract that we were going to pay a little less for something that's going to be substantially better. Before we engaged Athena, our days in AR sat in the low 30s consistently, which is, in comparison to competitors of ours, still a very good return. But what we found out is 60 to 90 days after go live, we were now in the mid-20s to high 20s, and we're spending less money to do it. It's easier to see a patient, diagnose the patient, document it in the EMR, and leave and move on to the next patient. They see more patients because of that, and that's an added advantage both to the patients and our organization. When you find a partner like Athena, and they're flexible, and they're making it easier for the physician, and they listen to what the customer's saying, was a huge and remarkable change. And proof in the pudding for that, for us, is that we have physicians who actually say that this is a good product. It's been nothing but great praises for it.